Okay, so these two are just a declaration only, but coming for this here, I am going to get the ref this dot set sub head ref. So I am going to use this, I mean this reference to my child component. So my child component will be like having a header with some I mean child component. This is a text actually, what I like to display. But coming for this, what it should show is like, so this subhead ref whatever here we are having, so that is just an element. That is just an element, I mean so that is just a normal variable which is accepting the element of subheader ref. So what is this subheader ref? Initially it is a null value. So I am going to use this subhead ref whatever it is there. I am going to add the class list. Class list is like a style. I mean this class list will is I am going to add the blue color to my header. That's the meaning of this. Okay, I am going to add the blue color to my subheader. Okay, means I am going to change my child components, I mean style to I mean red blue color. Means only that font color will be changing to the blue. Okay, only the font color will be I mean is going to change for the blue. So once I click on this once I click on this class list dot add and I mean this blue, it will go for this set subref. So this set subref is a one, it's a just a variable. It is just a variable, but coming for this it is going to update with subhead ref. So this subhead ref is the one which is having, so this subhead ref is the one I mean which is having the style as blue. So it is going to convert my text of this child component to blue. So it's just an I mean the superset is like set subheader ref, but the top is like the where the style is getting added is like subhead ref. Okay, subhead ref. Now I am going to add this I am going to call this child component to the parent component. So in my parent component, whenever I mean whenever the user is at very first initial point of time, parent component will be loaded. So let us think like now by parent component is loaded and it will come for the first here. So here in it will check like this ref, and this is set container ref. Okay, set container ref. So once it is checking here, it is getting the container ref which is like an element. But here this set container ref whatever it is there, it is going to update with the container ref. So this container ref is like an a toggle red. Means what this will do, this is going to give a toggle color red. Once you click on the component, it once you click on, means if you click on this parent component or so if you click on this div element or here if you click on this div element, so this one will be going to change to the red color in the so once I click on this div, so this background color is going to change to the red. So if I click on one more time, so it is going to return null. Okay, it is going to return null. Means there it will be like the clicked value will be false. The clicked value will be false. So first at very first of time, I have taken here three things. One is like state clicked, and also container ref, and also set container ref. So in the set container ref, I am going to use like container ref. I mean I am going to update. What I am going to update here is I am going to update with toggle red, this function. So once this set container ref is called, Once this set content ref is called, and also on click of this div, what should happen? So on click of this div, it is going to update. It is going to update the class list toggle as red. Class list toggle as the red, and this dot set state. Once I click on this dot set state, so it is going to it is going to change the current state to true. Once this clicked is becomes true. Okay, here once this clicked is actually true, then it will automatically update the state. Once this is become true, the background color of this class list will be becoming red actually. So it is like an one component into another component we are injecting, and the same component we are displaying the subcomponent style we are going to display to my parent component. So here very important points are this ref, whatever we are referring here. Okay, and yeah, yeah, yeah. So if we are taking out this ref, then we can't able to get that style. Means once you click on the component also, it won't go and refer to the particular container, which is like set container ref. Once the set container ref is called, then only it will go to this element and it will fetch this container ref. So this container ref, whatever we are having here, so it is going to update the current container with the class list toggle red. Okay, once you click on it, it is going to become red actually. It is going to become red, and obviously the inside this I have again this child component. See, once here I am having this child component, so here I am going to pass the value in the child component. I am going to pass what I am going to pass here is from here I am going to get the clicked value. What is my clicked value? It depends upon whatever I am clicking here. Suppose if I clicked here true, first time initially it is false. That's why it will become true. Okay, once it becomes true again, like but once it becomes true, and at that point of time, what will happen is, 1 second, yeah, 1 second. So once it is becoming true, the child components background color will be changed to the blue value, and also the background color of this total div, whatever this total div, the whatever the parent and child component is present, the total will become, background color will become red. Okay, so it is referring one component to other component, and it is bringing that styles to the parent component. Without this ref, if I try to execute, then it won't get it can't be handled. I mean, the effect won't be available. Only with the ref only the effect will be available. Okay, only with the this reference only the particular effect will be available. I mean, whatever the styles we are going to add. Okay, so let us see like this one. I will stop and then I will share one more time. Okay, now, so I think yeah, this is my output actually. This parent component and child component. If I click on this div, the background color of this parent component will become red, since it will go Once I click on this handle click, it will go and toggle it. I mean, get this class list toggle, and it will take this red. Once it took this red, the first part is completed. The second part is like changing the color of the I mean child component. So now it will go and take like the component value of the I mean the state value of this clicked. So and then it will go for this constant parent container clicked here, this dot props. So this properties, whatever it is there, it will be received from here only. So whatever the properties we are going to pass in this I mean for this child, we have to call like this is a key, this is a property. So whatever the property I am going to pass for this child, so that will be received at here in this dot props. So and that will be updated. So if the value is true, means the value is true, then the then it is going to add the sub headref class list add blue. It is going to add blue color to my sub headref. So it is an element actually. It is a element which is like referring to the particular div, whatever the div it is, and that particular header or that particular element is going to change to the blue color. It's a simple example, like yeah, which will change like your parent components style as well as child components style, both will be changed simultaneously.